I had credit problems and they were overwhelming me, so I wasn't sure about taking care of them myself. I called Vivix. I came in, I had a consultation with them. At first I was very skeptical. I didn't really see how any company could do things that I couldn't do myself. In fact, they admitted that. But the truth was that, there was a lot more to it than I initially expected. And they proved to me by practices that that they incorporate here that they could be very effective. To improve my credit, not only to improve it, but to improve it expediently, pretty rapidly. They saved me a lot of money. Debts, collections that I didn't even know were there that I might have paid otherwise. They took control of it, and they saved me money at the same time. Fixed my credit to the best it could be within about 3 to 6 months, which saved me a lot of interest. When I refied my house, when I purchased a car, etc. So I was very happy, in the end with Vivix, and that's why I'm back now, because I had a couple of problems I didn't know about, and I sent my son here. They're fixing his credit too, so very well worth it, folks. Vivix Credit Solutions is well worth the time and the effort.
Awesome. All right.